video's going. Frick. Fell asleep there for a second. Yeah. Well, hello, YouTube. Let's see. There's some news coming out of North Dakota's, out of the state of North Dakota, where some news is coming out of from. North Dakota's abortion clinic sues to block trigger ban. North Dakota's only abortion clinic is suing to block enforcement of a trigger law banning abortion. Frickin' again. Following the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. I mean, can states and Supreme Courts be any more stupid than what they already are? Can they be any more stupid? I guess so. Because this frickin' crap has got to stop. Supreme Courts, they hate us. Believe it. They hate us. But evidently, they're just idiots and want to overturn everything for women. But hey, they're men too, but idiots don't frickin' understand that. Fargo, North Dakota. North Dakota's sole abortion clinic filed a lawsuit in state court Thursday seeking to block a trigger law banning abortion following the U.S. Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. Well, that's good. You know what women also should do? Oh, and I have more to tell you coming up after this. It's about one of the idiots on the Supreme Court, one who I've talked about a lot. His name is Clarence Thomas. I will talk more about him, too, coming up in the video. I think that North Dakota abortion clinic did the right decision by suing after the trigger law. You can see that these people hate you. You're on the wrong side of the track, kiddos. North Dakota right. And as you can see, another glorious day in the Ukraine. As you can see, I'm not in my home, so yeah, I'm still in the Ukraine. Wanting to fix the whole place up and ban every single Russian, little or big, from stepping foot in that country. If I were the president of Ukraine, I would ban every single Russian person from stepping into the country. That's what Zelensky should do. Anyway, back to the story. The Red River Women's Clinic argues that the ban violates the rights to life. It does. Safety and happiness, true, guaranteed by the state constitution that protect the right to abortion. It is said the ban also infringes on the right to liberty because it deprives patients of the ability to control decisions about their families and their health. The North Dakota lawsuit is just the latest litigation to take aim at restrictions on abortions after the Supreme Court said the producer was no longer protected by the U.S. Constitution. I think the suit also questions Attorney General Drew Wrigley's statement that the ban would take effect July 28th. The clinic argued that the Supreme Court released its opinion on June 24th, but has not yet issued its judgment. Women should be suing our Supreme Court. All those idiot conservative justices that better get kicked off soon. Which is said to which is said it is a necessary step to trigger the state ban. The clinic said the High Court typically takes that step at least 25 days after the opinion. In certifying the closure date, Wrigley said, quote, "There's not any ambiguity in the Supreme Court decision." He said in a statement Thursday that his office is, quote, "carefully reviewing and evaluating the complaint," but that he would not commit further until his response is filed. Tammy Kremenaker, owner and operator of the Red River Women's Clinic in downtown Fargo, has said the facility would move across the river to Moorhead, Minnesota if necessary, but she would explore every legal option to keep it open in North Dakota. "We have faced relentless attacks from North Dakota lawmakers who have long wanted us gone," Kremenaker said in a statement announcing the lawsuit, "but we will fight this draconian ban like the other outrageous bans and restrictions that came before it. In the meantime, we will keep our doors open to provide abortion care to patients who need us," she said. Wrigley and Cass County State's Attorney Birch Burdick are named as defendants. Burdick said he hasn't had a chance to discuss the suit with Wrigley and cannot comment specifically on it. Well, hopefully this abortion clinic wins the case, because if the other wins the case, then it's rigged. Like we do on all cases, we will follow North Dakota law and any orders made by the court, and those may apply to any fact situations that arise in Cass County, Burdick said. Oh. Now let's go to the other idiot. Well, hopefully the clinic wins and the other place doesn't. This would mean victory for the state of North Dakota if we win, of course. I mean, if they win. Okay, now let's turn to Clarence Thomas. Online petition seeking impeachment of Justice Thomas has more than 1 million signatures. Well, good. That just shows what an idiot face he is. A MoveOn.org online petition calls for U.S. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas to resign from the High Court or face impeachment. All the people out there who support Thomas, that's your opinion, but you're wrong. If you can't see that he's a bad person, you're frickin' blind. The liberal group's petition has come more than 1 million signatures. We gotta get this idiot off. The Hill and Salon have stories. The petition cites Thomas' recent concurrence for which he called for reconsideration of precedents establishing a right to contraception in marriage, establishing a right to same-sex marriage, and striking down a criminal ban on sodomy. Don't know what the word sodomy means, but if a word comes out of Clarence Thomas's mouth, it's usually wrong and stupid. He issued the concurrence in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, the June 24th decision that overturned Roe v. Wade and the right to abortion. There's over 1 million frickin' signatures signed to remove Clarence Thomas. You can guarantee that this guy doesn't have much longer on the court. He better not, at least, because if we keep him on the court, we're going to find ourselves in a whole lot of trouble. Now he wants to look at contraceptives and same-sex marriage. He's a frickin' sick, evil person who wants to control our every move. Yeah, I mean it. Every move. He's an idiot and should never have got appointed to the court by former idiot President George H.W. Bush, who if he were a real person now, if he were a real person and didn't appoint this idiot, he would not be rolling in his grave, if he isn't right now. I'll be back. I shall see you in the next one. Adios.